the next word?
Criticize.
Yes, what's the next word?
Criticize.
Criticize. What's the part of speech? Criticize means to judge the good qualities and bad qualities of a person. Can you use it in your own words? Raise your hands. Yes, girls, raise your hands. Come here. They want to do something. Yes, what they want to do?
You have no hands.
Say loudly. Say loudly.
You have no hands.
No, I am not.
You have no sense.
No, I am not.
She is criticizing. What is the girl doing to this girl? Criticizing. Yes, go and sit down. She is criticizing. Is it to criticize others? But we don't accept the same with us. Okay? Can you use it in your own words? Yes.
You are not a good boy. You are not a clever boy.
Oh, what happened? Yes.
When I criticize him, he gets aggressive.
He is getting aggressive.
Yes.
I want to say it. Sit down. Do it once more.
You are not a good boy. You are not a clever boy.
Oh, what happened?
When I criticize him, he gets aggressive.
No, don't get that. Stand up. Manikanta, stand up. What's your name? Mahidhar. Your name?
Charan.
Charan. It's bad to criticize. At the same time, it's bad to get aggressive. Be friendly with each other. Sit down. Exhausted. What's the part of speech? Adjective. Exhausted means getting tired.
I am adjusted from overwork.
Say,
I am adjusted from overwork.
you are exhausted from overlearning. I think you are exhausted from over talking. Maithili, you always talk, always keep talking in the classroom. You do talking more than learning. Say once more.
I am adjusted from overwork.
From over learning. Good. Maithili is exhausted, Amma. He is exhausted from over learning. Is it true, Ma? Are her words true? Is it okay? Okay. Then no problem. Exhausted.
Water.
What do you want?
Water.
Water. How do you feel thirsty? Why?
I am physically exhausted.
Okay. With your sound, I am exhausted. Yes, how do you feel, Ma?
I am physically exhausted.
You are physically exhausted. Okay, you can drink water. Say once more.
I am physically exhausted.
Then drink water. No exhaustion. Sit down. He is physically exhausted, ma. That's why he is drinking water. Stand up. Ramakote, what's your name? Ramakote. He is not crying. He is laughing. He is not crying. He is laughing. Why, Ram?
He is emotionally exhausted.
Say,
He is emotionally
he
exhausted.
is emotionally exhausted. But how is he? How does he feel?
He is emotionally
He
exhausted.
is emotionally exhausted. So he is not crying. He is not crying. Emotionally exhausted. Go and walk from there. Walk. Yes. Walk. Go there. Come here.
Go there.
Go there. He is saying. Come here. Come here. Oh, no like only walking. This is the classroom, not bedroom.
Okay.
Now, say, how do you feel?
I am
I feel exhausted.
exhausted.
How do you feel?
I am feel exhausted.
You feel exhausted. How do you feel?
Exhausted.
Exhausted. That's it. You feel how do you feel?
Exhausted.
Exhausted from walking. How do you feel? Why do you feel exhausted, Amma? From walking or from sleeping?
From walking.
From walking. Sit down. Gautam said well. You felt exhausted, Amma, from walking. Okay? These two guys felt exhausted from learning English, it seems. Always talking. Any more, Amma? Yes?
I am exhausted with overstudy.
Oh, what's your name?
Mahidhar.
Mahidhar. Mahidhar feels exhausted from overstudying, Ma. From overstudying, he feels exhausted. Say once more.
I am exhausted with overstudy.
Yes, from overstudying. Then study less, sleep more, then you get right. Okay? Mahidhar feels exhausted from overstudying. Say once more, Mahidhar.
I am exhausted with
overstudying. He feels exhausted from overstudying. By overstudying. What's the next word? What's the part of speech? Verb. Tomatoes picture. Yes. Somebody go outside. No sound. No sound. Remember the brick mom. Yes. బయటికి వెళ్ళి ఒక లోపల పెట్టు. భరత్, start this sir. Okay. Yes, ma. Hey, no pushing. Do it gently, ma. Close it. Lightly. Yes, sir. Open the door. Hey, how did Bharat open the door, ma? Yes, Bharat. How did Bharat open the door? Yes, sir. How did Bharat open the door? With your flourish. Do it once more, ma. Gently, ma. Do it gently. Don't rashly. Yes. Hello. Yes. Say. Now what did you open the door? Say, Gautam, stand up and say.
Bharat open a door with a flourish.
Good. Bharat, open. What's your name? Bharat, what's your name? Bharat, what's your name? Gautam. Here, Bharat opened the door with a flourish. Good. Put the brick on. Yes. Look at the panel, ma. Is this visible or how to close the door, ma? Hello, close the door lightly. Lightly close it, ma. No sound. Okay. Yes. Enough. Look at the panel, ma. Look at the flat panels. What are these? Tomatoes. Can you use this word, ma? Yes, stand up.
Tomatoes are flourish in summer.
Say once more.
Tomatoes are flourish in summer.
Say once more.
Tomatoes are flourish in summer.
Tomatoes are flashing in summer. Okay? Yes, ma. Any more? Good.
Ice cream business flourishes in summer.
Say once more.
Ice cream business flourishes in summer.
Ice cream business flourishes in summer. Any more?
Mangoes are flourishes in summer.
Mangoes flourish in summer. Say once more.
Mangoes flourish in summer.
Mangoes flourish in summer. Good. Any more, ma? Yes. Learn English well, you will flourish in your life. Okay? What's the next word?
Tolerate.
Means to bear, to put up with. Gautam, what's your complaint?
He's pulling me, man.
Pulling me. So,
I can't tolerate his
bye.
sense.
Say once more.
I can't tolerate his sense.
Like you can't tolerate this bite. He's pushing and pulling.
Yes, madam.
So you can't tolerate this bite. That's your complaint. Say once more.
I can't tolerate this bite.
Sit right. No pushing, no pulling. Any more, ma? Yes, girls.
We can't tolerate overheat, overrain.
Say loudly.
We can't tolerate overheat, overrain, over cold.
Yes, we can't tolerate extreme weather conditions, ma. What's your name?
Kirtana.
Kirtana said well. Any more? Yes, stand up. Both of you stand up. He's doing something.
I can't tolerate her bad manner.
Say once more.
I can't tolerate her bad manner.
What is she doing? Pinching. So this whose proportion is more, a girl's proportion or boy's proportion? Boy's proportion, but I think the proportion of girls is more of my government schools. Yes, can you use your one sentence now? Yes?
Our body is out of proportion.
Say once more.
Our body is out of proportion.
Okay. World's tallest man, shortest man. Yes. Look at the panel now. Yes. Now say.
Our body is out of proportion.
His body. Yes. Say once
His body
more.
is out of proportion.
No sir. Say once more.
His body is out of proportion.
What about that woman now?
Short.
Shortest. So who can say? What? Rajesh say. How is that woman?
Her body is out of proportion.
Say once more.
Her body is out of proportion.
Look at the panel. His body is out of proportion. Her body is out of proportion. Good. A man with the largest stomach. Yes. Hey, look at these faces. Focus on their faces once. Yes. All of you now look at the panel. Look at the panel. Okay. Look at the stomach. Rajesh, stand up and say. Obviously. No sound.
Her stomach is out of.
Say once more. His.
His stomach is out of. Madam.
Hello girls. Say once more.
His stomach is out of proportion.
His stomach is out of proportion. Good. Girls, your noise is out of proportion. Sit silently. Anymore, ma? Our head is. What about our body? Yes.
The size of our body is in proportion to the rest of our body.
Yes. The size of our head is in proportion to the rest of our body. Say once more.
The size of our head is in proportion to the rest of our body.
Good. Said well. What about our earth now? All over at the proportion of water is more now than the land. Proportion of water is more than the land, no? On this earth. On this planet earth. The proportion of water is more than the land. What's the next word? Adequate. What's the next word? Adequate. Adequate means enough.
criticize us for their faults, but we can't accept with us.
Yes. Last test. It's easy to criticize others for their faults, but we don't accept the same with us. Gautam said well. What's the next word?
Potential.
Potential. Potential means having the qualities, good qualities enough, enough qualities. Can you use your own words, Yes.
Our school has great potential to develop.
Say once more.
Our school has great potential to develop.
Our school has a great potential to develop because our school is in the center of the town. So our school has great potential to develop. Already we got to +2 education here. So our school has a great potential to develop. Yes, any more? Yes?
I have a great potential to develop as a student.
Yes, you have a great potential to develop as a student. Yes, you are getting a good education, so you can develop. Any more?
We have a great potential to learn English.
Say once more.
We have a great potential to learn English.
Not okay. We have got a panel here, flat panel, good teachers, good books, dictionary. So you have great potential to learn English. You boys and girls, you have a great potential to learn English. Said well. Any more? Boys, you have great potential. You can become actors, doctors, engineers, pilots. But you have to realize your potential. To realize your potential, we are here to teach you. What's the next word? Rapid. Rapid means doing quickly. What's the part of speech? Can you use it your own words? Rapid. Yes.
Yogi recovered rapidly.
What said?
Yogi recovered rapidly.
Yes, Yogi recovered rapidly. Yes, 5 minutes back he sat here, how desperately. Now he bent his head, sat desperately. Now recovered. Okay, this boy recovered rapidly. Yes. You two boys. Any more? Yes.
He changes his mind rapidly.
He is going, walking, yes, coming, sitting. He changes his mind. Look at Pratap once. Look at Pratap. Stand up. Till now he started listening to me. Now started chewing his chain. He changes. Now tell me, Rajesh.
He changes his mind rapidly.
Say once more.
He changes his mind rapidly.
Yes. Sometimes, at times he sits silently. At times he keeps something nonsense. He keeps doing something nonsense. So he changes his mind rapidly. Yes, sir. I am also posing rapid fire questions to you now. I am posing rapid fire questions to you. What's the next word? Anyone, ma? Yes.
He is breathing rapidly.
Start. Yes. What to do it once? You say, Bharat. He is breathing. Say once more.
He is breathing rapidly.
Yes. Bharat is breathing rapidly. What's your name? What's your name? Partha is breathing rapidly. Good. Heart.
His heart is beating rapidly.
Stand. Please.
His heart is beating rapidly.
Say once more.
His heart is beating rapidly.
Yes. His heart is beating rapidly. Good. What's the next word? But you are answering to me rapidly. What's the one? Mahindra is answering, Bharat is answering, Partha is answering, Rajesh is answering, girls are answering rapidly, ma. What's the next word? What's the part of speech? Noun form. Result, amma. Having result. Generally, we use this word negatively. Can you use your own words, Ram? Yes?
Hundreds of people died as the consequence of the war in Ukraine.
Good. Say once more.
Hundreds of people died as the consequence of the war in Ukraine.
Yes, hundreds of people died, amma, as a consequence of war in Ukraine and Gaza. Okay? In Middle East. Harita said well. No, sir. You will get your consequences if you disturb the class. Yes? Yes?
We experience the consequences of our actions.
Say once more.
We experience the consequences of our actions.
You experience the consequences of your actions. You, Bharat, stand up. You are not listening, bending your head. Give said well. Any more, ma? Eating junk food?
Eating too much junk food will have its consequences on our health.
Say once more.
Eating too much junk food will have its consequences on our health.
Eating junk food pictures. Yes, sir. Eating junk food, amma. Look at the panel. Yes.
Pizza.
What are they eating, Ra? Junk. Boys, what are they eating? Say once more. What's the sentence?
Eating too much junk food will have its consequences on our
Hello. You are making noise. They will have your consequences.
Pizza.
Yes.
Eating too much junk food will have its consequences
Yes.
on our health.
Eating too much junk food will have its consequences on our health. Look at it. Look at the pen. Focus it on the pen. Okay. Now say once more.
Eating too much junk food will have its consequences on our health.
Good. Over. Yes, said well, Amma. You did well. Thank you.